Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to delete ad account in Facebook Business Manager. So come and let's start removing some ads. First, go to your browser and search for facebook.com/ads manager. Now on the left part of the menu, look for ad account settings. And under business payment section, you will see the deactivate ad account button. Now it's going to ask you if you are sure if you want to deactivate your ad account, because if yes, it will stop all of your current campaigns and prevent you from resuming or creating new ads. Any outstanding balance on your account will be charged to your credit card. The credit cards on your account will be automatically removed after your outstanding balance has been settled. And here in the lower part, you will choose what is the reason why you are deactivating your ad account. Just check any of these reasons, or you can just tap on the other box and type in your reasons. Then after that, hit the deactivate ad account, and it's done. You already deleted ad account in Facebook. If you think this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.